In the second part of my outlet shopping vlog, we're going to Prada and MIU MIU, but I'm really more interested in MIU MIU as there are a couple of items I'm eyeing from their new collection, so I wonder what they'll have available at the outlet and if the discounts are any good, especially from the more newer collections. So let's go. Unfortunately, they don't put the prices next to the sunglasses, so for every single pair you have to ask for the price, but they are at least 30% off the retail price. There was really a very big variety of summer bags. I think that this is the first time in 4 years that I have seen this many Prada raffia bags at the outlet. They still have the symbol bag, I think it was called, in the mini size, in the medium size, and it was available in many different colors. But this is my bag. I have it in the classic brown/beige raffia color, and I just love these bags. Now this bag immediately caught my eye. I feel like it's so much different from all the other summer bags on the luxury designer market right now, because it has that raffia detail, but it also has this like fishnet kind of cover up on the raffia, which I found so unique. And as you can see, it also came with a crossbody / shoulder strap. It's very thin. I don't think that I would use it, but it's always nice to have that option. And I just thought it was very beautiful. The price was reasonable. It was 1,200, which is more or less what these bags usually go for. I just don't know if it was like an outlet price, because the bags that I want from the new collection, they cost 1,400 and 1,500. The color options were also beautiful, the gold and of course the brown leather. And then as you can see, it also was available in a smaller mini size, which was also very cute, but I feel like this would be a little bit too impractical. So I was leaning more towards this size, which is the bigger size. And of course it had to match my dress perfectly. I feel like it was such a great summer outfit with this bag. But yeah, I'm just not sure if it was like a good outlet deal, because as I said before, the brand new bags that I'm interested in are just 200 and 300 euros more. The one thing that kind of like sold me on this bag was this pouch, because it's always nice to have something a little bit extra with that bag. But yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think? Is it worth it to buy this from the outlet, or does it make more sense to go for a brand new bag from the store right now? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. This time they also had a very good selection of sunglasses. I loved these. And then these are a little bit outside of my comfort zone, but also very cool. And then we have classic aviators with the Miu Miu logo on the side. Another great pair, 30% off. And then these, I don't know what happened, but I just fell in love with them and I had to have them. I know I'm not supposed to be buying any more sunglasses, but these I just needed to have. Now, as regards to footwear, the choices were very, very limited, especially with Miu Miu. With Prada, there were still quite a few options, but with Miu Miu, there were barely any options with footwear, and even the sizes of the options that were still available were very limited. Basically, only small sizes were left. And I feel like this is how you can tell if a brand is doing well, because Miu Miu has been very popular lately, and so I feel like because of that, there aren't really that many options with footwear at the outlets. As you can see, some of these you may even remember from my previous videos. These were a newer style, but this was basically the only more fresh option that was available. Other than that, there was really nothing. So with the bags, the options were much better than with the shoes, and also there were some ready-to-wear pieces, but the shoes, absolutely nothing. Okay guys, so that's it from me today, and now as always, let me know your favorites and least favorites in the comment section below. And by the way, I can't believe that they still have the crystal bags available at the outlet. They used to be so hard to get, and now they're still at the outlet after like a year. Anyway, don't forget to watch part 1 with Gucci and stay tuned for part 3. Stay safe everyone!